Howdy there, pluckers. Ivor Fingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting lesson preview for you. This something slightly different for a change. Another instrumental from the classic Bond film series. Okay, the classic intro theme. Okay, this was actually written by Monty and Norman and rearranged for the Bond films by John Barry, who employed a gentleman called Vic Flick to come up with some guitaring for it, which is now obviously iconic. And that was the making of Vic Flick. He became a very busy sessions musician because everybody wanted that sound on their records. And he played on many well-known artists and band songs as a sessions musician, like Herman's Hermits. He played the intro and the guitar in Silhouettes. Tom Jones, he played on It's Not Unusual and What's New Pussycat. Various songs from Dusty Springfield and many others around about that time. Okay, so he's gone on to big things from that James Bond theme. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that James Bond theme for myself. It was obviously one of my backing made on the loop pedal, and then I played over the top for the main theme. Okay, so I'll be back hopefully with a lesson on this shortly if there's enough interest. Bye for now.